Shai Mukherjee, and in this video I'm going to do a shopping haul. So I recently purchased some stuff from the Club Factory app and I'm going to show all of those things in this video. So let's get started. So the things that I got are mainly accessories and stuff, and let's begin with the first one. Now this is the first one, the neck piece that I'm wearing right now, and this is like the prettiest neck piece ever. It has got these really cute flowers with pearls at the middle, and it has this chain, black color chain thing, and it has a lock at the end. So yeah, this is one of my favorites. You can see that, right? Now the next things that I'm going to show are these earrings. This is the first one. It has got these really cute tassels. So the tassel things are so much in fashion right now. So yeah, this one has tassels, blue, there's peach and white colored ones, and tiny little leaves and designs, and this one also is so cute. So I just love this one. And then I've got another earring, and it is this one. So you can see it has a really nice size. So you can see that it is really not really big, but it has a really good medium size, and it looks great. It's got two layers. At the bottom we have this sparkly, shiny silver layer, and then we have this golden layer with all these designs. And it is so lightweight, it won't hurt your ears at all. I really like wearing lightweight jewelry, and heavy jewelry is something I just dislike. I don't like that. So yeah, this one's perfect for me. Now the next thing is this ring that I got. It is a really cute ring. This has this bow thingy, this design that's really simple and cute, and it is adjustable. So this is really good. Ta-da! Now the next thing I'm going to show you guys is this one. So it's a gothic bracelet. Let me open this up. It also has this ring. So if you like gothic jewelry and stuff and chokers, this one matches so well with chokers. I have a picture here, you can see that. So this is how it goes. To wear this ring with it. It is adjustable as well. So this is how it looks. It also has this dangling little thing. Then I got another wristband. This is a handmade charms bracelet. This is how it looks. I'm not tying it up, just showing it. Okay. So it has this love, these chains, an arrow, and a key. Then I got a clip, a hair clip. This one. See? And it also has got these things, these tiny clips. Next thing I got is this. This has all the things that you need for your manicure or maybe just cutting your nails. And I really love this leather case. This leather case has this thing, you press it and boom, it opens. This is what we have. 2 nail cutters, this nail file, this one. Now, the most favorite item of all items. Ta-da! This bunny, it also works as squishy. It is a rubber bunny and it has these cute little ears and it opens like this. And it's really good and it's really useful. You can keep all your rings, like I can keep my ring inside, or you can keep coins and you can take it anywhere. And it also works as a really good decorative item. So yeah, I really love this one. So cute. I also got a wallet, purse. So this one has a tiny diamond star. There's a chain here and a chain here. That's smooth. Inside it has one compartment. Really handy. And the main cute factor about this one is it has this design. It's really good. And the chain, just look at the rainbow chain here. It has this rainbow chain thing. That's really good. Then I have got one item left, and that is this one. If you are wondering what this thing is, let me show you. So this opens up like this. And you can put your mobile phone over here, mobile phone or tab or whatever. This is how it works. Okay, there. So it works pretty nice. And they also sent me a free sticker, this one, and it says Mumbai. Though I live in Kolkata, but they sent me the Mumbai one. So okay, so this is a free thing from Club Factory. It has this little teddy bear holding the Club Factory sign. So that's all. These were all the things that I purchased from the Club Factory app. That's the end of this video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. Write something in the comments and let me know which item among all these is your favorite one. And follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. So bye for now and thanks for watching.